What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And y'all remember when these were like the talk of the town, where everybody was running to McDonald's buying adult Happy Meals? Yeah, I kind of saved mine. Aww. The only reason I saved mine is because if y'all watch the channel, y'all will remember, I think it was like in October, Cpfm Cactus Plant flea market collab with McDonald's went past the Happy Meal phase. It went all the way to hoodies, shirts, I was about to say shirts, tees, hoodies, tees, hats, I think even socks. And I brought some, but I didn't look in the fine print that ships in 10 to 12 weeks. Yesterday, out the blue, it finally arrived. And I'm no mathematician, but October, November, December, a little more than 10 to 12 weeks. So we're going to get into an in-depth review of whatever I picked up. But before, let's find out what toy I really got. Which I think I got. Put it in the comment section below. I got the Four Eyes. I don't even know the character name. I really wanted the Hamburglar. Let's get it. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Now, most of y'all know who Cactus Plant Flea Market is. They do the crazy dunk lows. You seen the ones they dropped this year. I couldn't even do a review for you guys. I couldn't even justify buying that shoe. But the one before then, now that shoe I was on. I probably wouldn't have wore it, but I tried so hard to get that shoe. Super limited, super hard. You see the prices on StockX now. It's crazy. But they also known for the Ye Must Be Born Again hoodies. And these are real popular. I always wanted to go get a yellow one and a green one. They cost as much as sneakers. Every time I look at them side by side, whenever I'm on GOAT or StockX, I'm like, nah, I'm going to get these sneakers. But the hoodie material is so warm, so dope. It fits true to size that it's worth the price, man. Has medium at the back of the hoodie to let you know what size it is. Super dope. But we did too much talking. Let's get into the Cpfm Mcdonald collab. The first one here is the Cactus Buddy and Friends tee. Let's check it out. I'm already feeling the front. The big OG classic McDonald's sign. Oh, and the material is there, guys. Just like the hoodie. Oh, yeah, man. So you see it there. It has the OG McDonald logo with all the friends there in the Cactus Flea Plant look. Similar to Kors. You know how Kors changed the sesame characters for years? But the material, guys, A1, man. So, yeah, that's the front of the hoodie. I mean, the shirt. Yeah, it reads Cactus Plant Flea Market, McDonald's. Pop-up letters. In the back reads Special Limited Edition Cactus Plant Flea Market Box at McDonald's October 22nd. See, I told you guys that I brought this stuff in October. But this is dope. I don't remember the original price on this one here. But this is dope, guys. Let me know how y'all feel about this one in the comment section below. Next up is another black tee. Now I kind of remember. I remember when it first came on a website. You know, when something pops up, you're just trying to buy anything just to have something. And that's what happened with me. Because I would never buy two black tees. I would mix the color up. This one reads Coffee Stirrer Tea. Yeah, I wouldn't have brought this, but let's check it out. And it has a coffee stirrer. And it reads Cactus Plant Flea Market again. But I like the pop-up font, man. Like, it looks like a fitted hat. The stirrer pops up off the tee. I like this one here, man. Nothing on the back, but same material. And the tag is a tagless 2022 McDonald's Cpfm look. Dope, man. Look, and I brought another orange hoodie just like the Yay Must Be Born Again hoodie that I just showed y'all. I was rushing, guys, but at least we get to get the review together for you, man. Let me read this first. This is the Fry Guy hoodie. Little darker orange than the one I showed y'all. But man, same material. Oh my God, I love this material, man. So I guess his name is the Fry Guy. I really don't know half of these McDonald's characters. I remember like Hamburglar, Grimace. They got a lot of new ones now. So it reads, I'm loving it. Cactus Planet Market. Cactus Planet Market. Cactus Plant Flea Market. And it says drive-through on the pocket part of the hoodie. Same material, guys, I promise y'all. Nothing's on the back of this one neither. But man, same material. Yes, sir. So just a quick review of what I picked up from the Cactus Plant Flea Market McDonald's collab situation. Let me know in the comment section below, were you fast and lucky enough to actually get your hands on a Happy Meal? I don't do nuggets. I don't do McDonald's, guys. I don't know, man. It's just not my favorite. When I was a kid, yes, but not no more. But I did have to run out and do this for the culture, man. So that's just a quick review. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.